I have just arrived at the Silver Moon Consignment Barn. This is my third stop of the day. Is it? Is that true? Fourth stop. And I've only spent $196. And why that's extra noteworthy, of course that doesn't include the stuff I got for myself. But why that's extra noteworthy is because that's less than one of those fuzzy ceramic dogs I got at Roller Mills will sell for alone. So far this has been a lucrative, successful trip. Let's see if we can keep it rolling. What is happening here? I see a lot of stuff I like. Oh my gosh. First of all, the To My Valentine has worn off, but for $10, I do not care. This is the Fine A or Napco. I'm not sure which one. They're the same planter, just different distributors. For $10, I'm gonna go ahead and grab it. Valentine's Day has been so hard to find. And even though I've been kind of knocking this fabric, I do like the size. I'm like, that's kind of strange. $4, it's so cheap. Oh, what is this? This is really strange. Black vase, embossed yellow flowers. That is really quite cool. Huh. Different. I kind of want to pick that up, honestly. But I am distracted by all the other things that are happening. Like, this is so pretty with the little rhinestones. It's got some damage, but still. The freaking paint by numbers geishas. The St. Patrick's Day themed. Oh my gosh, this is like one of my favorite vendors. She used to have a booth at Old Sledworks, and now I pick these up all the time. They're only $6. That's so cheap. They usually sell quickly too. I'm just a little overwhelmed right now, because I am really trying to not spend that much money, and I don't think I'm doing a very good job at it, honestly. Now, I couldn't help but notice the rubber face stuffed Donald Duck. He's only $10. Whereas I'm not the biggest Donald Duck person, I kind of can't resist him for $10. I do believe I'd still be able to at least double my money on that. And it is marked Japan. He's in pretty great condition. I'm gonna grab that. Let's see what else we have. That's kind of fun. Whoa, flamingo as is though. What's going on here? It's been pretty repaired. Still, I kind of want that for myself. Look at the teepee planter. That's pretty spectacular. For $9, I'm gonna go ahead and pick that up. That's really unique. The repair job on that isn't the best, so I can't really justify getting that. I'm nervous that it might break again. And we got the bride and groom. They're only $6. Gosh, I really want to go nuts in here. What else? Like, look at this freaking, that's amazing. That's only $145. The ceramic hobbyist box. I mean, gosh, there's just so much stuff here. This Valentine's Day box. I'm pretty pleased with all that I've picked up so far, although I am second guessing a couple things I've left behind. I'm gonna finish this aisle, and when I turn back around, I'll see how I feel about them then. What's going on with this poodle here? 15. That is pretty spectacular, but I can't justify spending $15 on that. I love the little pig. It's Norcrest. I've had it before. $12 is more than what I sold mine for. Ooh, fuzzy ceramic poodles. Love them, but $19 is about retail on those. Those are not the same as the ones I got. Mine are different. They always have such fun, kitschy, salt and pepper shakers here. The ones that I really like are those large bear ones, but I looked those up and they didn't sell for as much as I thought they would. Now, this is, what's it called? That, gosh, I hope it's on the tag, because it's, no. Lil Abner, that's what it is. Yeah, I believe this is Lil Abner character. I could be mistaken, but I think it's worth more than that, but not really my thing, believe it or not. This little bird on the mushroom, though. How much is that? Oh, $20. I can't justify that. That's a little steep for me. Those are pretty cute. All right, I already know it's gonna be a little bit pricey. Oh my gosh, look at that lamp. That's amazing. Oh, okay, but this is what I was going for. I know I've looked at this guy, but I like these. This is hilarious. Crying onion jar. Oh, my camera's being funky. I hope it hasn't been funky all day and I'm just now noticing. $20. I can't do anything with that. These hard plastic mid-century ashtrays usually sell really well. $12 is a super fair price. But I've had them so many times. This is hilarious as is, though. I can't really do anything with that. And of course, I love all the colors. We've looked at this dining set before. It's to die for. And the Bullwinkle, those are really great. Oh my gosh, and the oranges, the magnetic oranges, how fun. But again, all very much so retail. Collector's price is so much fun mid-century. It's so great to see it all in the same spot. Now, I do really like this napkin holder. Coffee caddy. Huh. Very cool. All right, I have made it back. I've decided to stop being that weird. I love the pigs. And these little cows are fun. They're only $5, which is super cheap. I do like the bride and groom. They are more common, but it's hard to find them at that price. I'm having a hard time, you guys. Let's see. What else do we have going on here? What else did I leave that I was like, why did I leave this? This is nice. $15 is a super fair price. Again, I'm just being a little strange. Now, this is a really good selling set. I think it's kind of strange to leave these for $6. I've just had them so many times. And then the milk glass vase, I mean, that's only $6. The white milk glass doesn't sell that great for me, but glass has been so expensive. I think I'm gonna leave them. Now, this vase is very curious to me. Not really sure about what's going on there, but I think I want to grab this. It's really sweet. I just got upstairs. I found some really neat stuff up here last time. I believe it was in this booth. Looks like a lot of stuff has changed since the last time I was here. I remember they had some crazy good prices. Let's see. I love all the religious planters they have. What is this coat? I know I'm not supposed to be getting stuff for myself, but I can't help but notice like a fur checkerboard coat. $45. I don't like the black leather underneath it though. Now I can't help but notice this funny plastic fruit necklace. $40. There's nothing funny about that actually. Dang, that is cool. Yeah, those usually sell for good money. I'm not sure about $40, but not for me. Oh my gosh, how fun is this ashtray dish thing? Oh, that is so freaking cool. $10. I wonder if people would be as excited about this as I am though. I'm not sure if I can get away with that for $10. I probably could, but I'm not sure about the resale value on it. What is going on here? Is this an ink? Yeah. An inkwell. That is very cool. Very heavy. And the Japan vase. I do I do kind of like that. $20 is steep for my purposes of resale though. Wow, look at these Italian side tables. Not for sale, just kidding. Nothing up there for me today. I'm gonna head back down. This is another vendor that I get a lot of unique stuff from. This is a heart planter here that's only $2. For $2, I'm grabbing it. It might not be my favorite design, but it's very hard to find heart-shaped anything these days, as we've seen. Cat planter hiding back here. It's got a nick on the ear, I can already see. $10. Yeah, I can't really see past that big nick. Ooh, lots of fun colors going on here. This definitely caught my attention. This is very cool. It's a little pricey, but I kind of feel like I remember. Oh my gosh. Judas Styles. Oh, I thought it said $499. It says $50. Just kidding. I don't feel like looking that up for $60. What else was I looking at back here? The Lovebird salt and pepper shaker set. That is so cute with the original box. Definitely on the pricier side at $25 though. Good grief, look at this lamp. That is so cool. All right, well, I kind of started to lose steam in there. I only spent $35, which means I've only spent $231 on stuff from my Etsy shop today. I still have at least 2 more stops I'd like to go. I've really been taking my time. I'm gonna throw this in the car and I'll see you guys when I get to my next stop.